Python coding and programming, the smartest way to learn everything you need to know about Python. Written by John Mnemonic, narrated by Colbert and Eleanor Webb.
Introduction. In many cases, we hear people talking about programming and how it is hard to use different programming languages in your program. Programming is not as difficult as many people think. There are different types of programming languages, of which you can choose when doing a program. These languages include JavaScript, C++, and Python. As we start learning about Python programming language, you will understand all layers of the Python and its concepts, and how it is easy to use it for programming. Reading this book will empower you with the necessary coding skills. Coding is not as severe as most people think. It is only tough for beginners. There are many coding languages, and the most popular coding languages include C++ and Java, which most people feel scared when they hear about them. The pages are sometimes filled with symbols and letters that you, as a beginner, cannot understand them. Although programming scares many people due to the feeling that it is too hard for them to learn, Python programming language is one of the most original programming languages for an individual to learn about coding and even study it as a professional. In this book, you will be provided with the basics of Python programming. To understand better on to get started in Python programming, the book will begin by talking about the Python programming, steps for downloading the program if you do not have it in your computer, and the importance of studying the Python programming. It will then define some essential keywords for an individual to understand the program, and eventually talk about the effects of using Python in coding and programming. Chapter 1. Python Programming Basics. How to install Python. In this time and age, being techie is a demand of the times, and the lack of knowledge classifies one as an outcast. This can result to being left out from the career world, especially in the field of programming. Numerous big shot companies have employed their own programmers for purposes of branding.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?